Good morning. I'm in the Smoky Mountains and we are getting ready to do a hike. And I'm actually with both of my children this morning, which has been a long time since I've hiked with both of them. So it's kind of nice. And we're doing a hike that is kind of a family tradition. Sierra has been on this trail before. However, she has never hiked it. So I'm excited that she's going to do that with us today. The trail that we're doing is the Appalachian Trail to the Boulevard. Then that will take us to Leconte. And then we'll take the Alum Cave Bluff trail. It's a total of close to 11 miles total. It'll take us all day. It's beautiful, and we're excited to get to be able to do this. Adam, unfortunately, is not with us. He is not feeling well, so it's just me and Sierra and Ben. But we're gonna do it. We're excited. Woo! Woohoo! Yeah, here we go. So what are you thinking so far, Sierra?
It's a lot of uphill. It's not bad. I'm all right.
Yep.
Yeah.
Pretty views.
Yeah.
So we have kind of hit the ridge, and we're just walking this ridge right now, which is kind of nice. A nice break from the uphill. However, we still have quite a bit of uphill to do. So it's just a brief break. So we are now on the Boulevard Trail, and we have 5.3 miles to get to Leconte. Check that out. That's a nice view.
I wonder how many people are out there in those mountains.
That is a good question.
All right, back to work.
I wonder how many people are out there in those mountains.
Did she get annoyed?
No. I don't think so. Can't really see through the trees, but maybe up here you can. Let's see. Oh yeah, there's a little peak in the trees with a little view. It's a little bit overgrown through here, but still kind of pretty with all the yellow flowers. amazing. Look at those clouds just rolling up the mountain. They put these cables here in case you need to hold on.
Yeah, that's kind of different. I don't know how I would do that.
Look at our nice views.
Oh,
Although you can kind of get an idea about,
how far we are?
well, I mean, straight down, yeah. But look at our views, or lack thereof. Yeah.
At least the sun's not pounding.
Oh yeah, it is not scorching hot. I'll take it. Nice view.
On the other side of that mountain. Is that that rock slide?
It might be. It was a deer. Mount Leconte in the Great Smoky Mountains National Park is at an elevation of around 6,400 feet and offers the highest guest lodge in the eastern United States. It is only accessible by hiking, and there are no roads that lead to the lodge. Guests are housed in hand-built rough log cabins with propane heat, kerosene lanterns, and warm wool blankets. It is an awesome place. However, if you want to stay here, you will need to make reservations pretty far out in advance. So we have left Leconte and we are now on Alum Cave Bluff Trail, and we are headed back down to meet Adam. And I think it said it was like 2.7 miles to the bottom. So we're doing really good today, I must say. I am digging the new shoes. We have made it to the bluff.
Praise Jesus.
Yes, hallelujah, hallelujah. That is pretty cool. How's it going, Mom?
Oh. I am about, I don't know if I can make it down these stairs.
So, this is the predicament, and there's quite, quite a lot of them. And, well, when you've hiked multiple miles, and your whole body hurts, it's a little rough going down the stairs. I feel like an old lady, but you know. And then you got all these people passing you like it ain't nothing but a thing. And I feel like I'm 90, so it's fine. Both of our knees are pretty much shot at this moment. So this is cool, but it's also very painful.